I've done a lot of burgers in the past, and some of those have been smash burgers. And I get comments all the time when I do burgers like that, and people say, do not smash a burger. That breaks the cardinal rule. You never smash a burger, you'll push out all the juices. Well, is that necessarily true with a smash burger? We're gonna find out today. All right, before I begin this video, I wanna thank one of my sponsors, ThermoPro. If you need a good thermometer, any kind of meat thermometer, instant read thermometer, wired thermometer, wireless thermometer, ThermoPro's got you covered, and you'll get it at a lot less price than what some of these other companies are paying for the same thing. Same quality, just as accurate, durable. They will last you literally for years. Look for the link in the description box for exclusive discounts. Well, I got a new griddle, and this is made by Pits and Spits. This fits perfectly in my adjustable grill, my Pits and Spits adjustable grill, and it's made to fit in here like you see. It doesn't go from one end to the other, but it's close. I think it lacks probably 4 or 5 inches, and this is a size. It's the same width, however. Now, before long, I'll be showing you some new modular grates that they also came out with for the same pit, but today we're using a griddle to do these smash burgers. So on these smash burgers, you want your meatballs good and cold. This particular ground meat is 27% fat and it's 73% lean, which already makes it a very juicy burger, but there's also more shrinkage involved. So we're gonna go down right here and press it out instantly. Hold it down about 10 seconds. Now we got us another one going down instantly. Just like that. A little bit of this seasoning. That is an incredible rub by PS Seasoning. This was a limited edition. Not sure if you can still get that or not, but if you can, I highly encourage you checking that one out. And if you notice, I only season one side because these are so thin. So what you're looking for is what you're seeing right here. You're seeing all of this fat starting to render up through the actual patty. Same thing over here. So these don't take long. Let's go ahead and see what we're looking like here. Oh yeah. You just can't beat that. Beautiful. Put our cover on them. Let's get our buns toasting. That'll take about 10 seconds. All right, we already got a toast on those. That didn't take long. All right, so I've got some burger sauce that I put together. That's nothing more but mayo, ketchup, mustard, a little Worcestershire sauce. We're just gonna go on the bottom with that. Put this on the bottom bun. Woo-wee. Put a cap on it. There we go. So this griddle's got like a little dump right here at the end. And what that's gonna do is just take it straight through to the pan in the bottom, can be cleaned out later. Now, I don't know about you, but, oh boy, I mean, look at that, it's dripping all over my hand. You gonna try to tell me that I'm pressing all the juices out of that? No. And hopefully, I explain why. Also want to give a big thank you to Lisa. You know who you are if you're watching this. She sent me one of her Texas plates to hang on our wall here. And our intentions is to eventually have tags from all over all these walls. And I'm starting, of course, with home state Mississippi. We're currently in Alabama. That's where Derek lives. And then Lisa is from Texas. So hey, if you want to have your tag displayed somewhere behind us or on this wall, we shoot all over the place in here. But if you want to see that, just let me know. My email is in my about section. Just shoot me an email. That is as juicy as it can be. I don't see how anybody could call that dry. I think what's going on is they don't understand the difference. When you press it cold, you're not pressing out no juices because they have not had time to render yet. Now, if that was a big old thick burger and I went to pressing it after it began to render, then yeah, you're gonna end up with a dry burger. You're gonna press all your juices out, but never fare with a Smashburger. Good, juicy burger. I tell you what, first time using this little griddle and I'm loving it, man. It just gives me one more thing I can do with the Pits and Spits adjustable grill. And the cool thing about it is I can put the grate back in here and set this on top of it, close the lid. Now I don't have to figure out where to store another griddle. It's already here. If I want to grill instead of griddle, I just remove the griddle, put the grill grates on, I'm up and grilling. But you can put them all in there just to store it, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, by the way, if you don't happen to have one of these, like to put over your burger and melted cheese, then no big deal. Just close the lid down. It'll do the same thing. Might take it a little bit longer because it's a lot bigger, but it's not going to take much longer. I'm going to finish up my juicy burger. It's really good. And I hope that I have explained well enough to where people will quit saying, you can't smash a burger. Yes, you can smash a burger. It's just got to be cold when you do it. That's the only difference. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'm Russ Jones with Smoky Ribs Barbecue.